everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is Agi, in case you're new here, and this week I wasn't able to share with you guys a vlog, but today I'm here to share with you this amazing delicious recipe of smokies and vegetable fried rice. So this is a very simple recipe that I'm about to share with you, and I know that you guys are really going to love it because we're going to be using the simplest of ingredients. So we're gonna go over the ingredients really fast, and to start with, you're gonna need 1 1/4 cup of green, red, and yellow bell pepper. So you'll also need 1/4 cup of chopped green beans, 1/2 cup of chopped carrot. You'll also need 3 cups of cooked basmati rice. You'll also need 1/4 cup of chopped white onions. You can use the red onions if you have, and also you will need 3 eggs. And to that, you're going to add some 5 smokies or sausages. So you can use sausages or smokies. I'm using smokies because one of my sons doesn't like sausages, so that's why I'm using smokies. So I forgot to record the garlic and ginger paste, so kindly use 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. And when it comes to the spices, you're going to need 1 piece of chili beef cube. You're going to need paprika spice. You're also going to need some dark soy sauce and also the black pepper. So I'm going to list all these ingredients in the description box, so make sure that you check them out. So also, when it comes to spices, kindly use the spices that you have. You don't necessarily have to use the spices that I'm using here today. You can use whatever spice that you have. So first and foremost, we're going to start off by chopping the smokies into small pieces. So the next step is to break and beat the 3 eggs that we're going to use for this recipe, and we're also going to add some black pepper and some salt to taste into our eggs. So after adding in the salt and black pepper into the eggs, we're going to beat this egg thoroughly. So when it comes to also adding the salt and black pepper, kindly use what works for you. You are going to add enough salt to taste and enough black pepper to your liking. Next, into a clean pot or a pan, you're going to add enough cooking oil to shallow fry your smokies. So we're going to just let the cooking oil to heat up well enough, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our smokies and just fry them until they're nice and golden brown. So make sure that you turn the smokies so that they do not burn, and we're just going to fry them until they're nice and golden brown. And also, if you're watching today's video and you're not yet subscribed, kindly consider hitting that subscribe button. It's totally free. Kindly, as we are frying these smokies, kindly just ensure that you're subscribed to the channel, because getting this recipe is going to be very easy for you the next time that you need it. And also, I'd like to let you guys know that on this channel, we do clean, we do cook, we bake. Generally, we do homemaking. So when your smokies are done, we're just going to remove them from the pan, and then we're going to put them on a plate or a bowl that is lined with oil absorbing paper. So the next step on this recipe is to fry your eggs, and we're going to, you remember the eggs that we had beaten previously with the salt and the pepper? We are going to fry them on the same pan, and also we're just gonna use the leftover cooking oil that was left on the pan, that is what you're going to use to fry these eggs. If the cooking oil is not enough on your pan, kindly just add enough to fry your eggs. So we're going to fry these eggs until they're completely dry, like they're not soft as they appear on the video at the moment, but they're going to dry out and become somehow turn, golden brown. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity to ask you guys which recipes you guys would like me to share with you on my channel. So within a few minutes, your eggs are going to be done. As you guys can see, they look dry and they're also a bit like a bit golden brown, not too golden brown, but just a little bit golden brown, and they're very dry. So for the next step, you're going to need a clean pan or a pot, and then you're going to add in some cooking oil, just enough for frying your rice, not too much and not too little. And then you're going to go ahead and add in your white onions, and then you're just going to fry your white onions until they're nice and translucent. And before they turn translucent, kindly make sure that you add in your garlic and ginger paste, and just continue turning until the onions are translucent. So once the onions are translucent, you're going to go ahead and add in all your vegetables, and you're going to add in your red, green, and yellow bell pepper. You're going to add in your chopped green beans, and also you're going to add in your carrots. So you can always add in whichever vegetable that works for you also. And what I'd like to say is that you can also add some yellow corn if you have some in your storage or in your fridge. So we're just going to turn this until they're fully combined. So after turning until everything is fully combined, the next step is to add in about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water, just enough to cook your vegetables. And then we are going to turn this just a little bit so that the water is mixed with these vegetables. And then we're going to cover this and let it cook on low heat for about 5 minutes, or until all your vegetables are fully cooked. Also remember not to let your vegetable overcooked, because when they're overcooked, they're going to be mashed up into your rice. So just make sure that they're cooked slightly, like not overcooked, but just well cooked. So once your vegetables are ready, the next step is to go in there with your spices. And the first spice that I added was my chili beef cube. So after adding the chili beef cube, you're going to go ahead and just mix everything until all the beef cube is dissolved, because if you leave it there, sometimes it doesn't dissolve or it doesn't mix properly with the food, and then you're going to bite into it when you're eating. So just make sure that you mix it up until the chili beef cube is fully dissolved into your vegetables. So the next step is to add in your pre-cooked rice, and I use the basmati rice because of how it looks when it's cooked. It's usually 1-1. I don't know if I'm making sense, and it cooks very well, and it's very good for fried rice, and because it doesn't, how do I put it? It doesn't mash up. Yeah, I think that's the right word. So you're going to mix your rice and vegetables until they are fully combined. So once your rice and vegetables are fully combined, the next step is to add in your smokies. And then you're going to also add in your fried eggs, and then just mix everything until they are completely combined. So once the smokies and the eggs and the rice and the vegetables are fully combined, you're going to go ahead and add in your dark soy sauce, and then you're going to add in some little bit more black pepper, and then you're also going to mix this again until everything and all the dark soy sauce is fully combined into your rice and vegetable. And just like that, your rice is ready for serving. Kindly make sure that you serve this hot, and I assure you, you guys are going to love this recipe. Kindly try it out and let me know in the comments. And you're going to serve this with a glass of cold juice. You can even have this with a nice cup of tea. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you tried out this recipe and how it came out. Also, let me know where you're watching this video from. I really want to ask you guys, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly make sure that you're subscribed. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll be able to see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye for now.